In a world where contractors suck, one man has to fix their mistakes.
So this is the dining room window, and when they put the bucks in for the window, they put cross bracing framing 2x4s just to help support it, keep it from bending when they poured all the concrete. And then what I had to do is I had to go through here and cut all that cross bracing out where the nails are. There's nails right here, and I just cut it all out. And then just to make sure that they aren't protruding past the wood, I just did, hammered. I was hammering them in. I was doing the same thing down here, hammering along. And I got to right here, and I heard it sounded hollow, whereas this doesn't sound hollow. So then I removed all the nails, and I cut here and here because they were attached with nails to this board and that board at the ends, and I pulled it up. See, there was a void in the concrete. This is what it should look like. Should come all the way up. And you can see actually they had drilled holes in the wood just to, give themselves an idea, like, oh yeah, there's concrete. So when it pokes through those holes, then they know it's filled. But there's a big section here where they didn't drill a hole, so they had no idea. There was one here, and there was one here, and then one at the end, but they didn't realize it. So I'm gonna mix up a bag of concrete and fill this in. And this is not the only one I found. I went along every window, did the same thing, cutting the nails off and hammering, and if I ever heard anything hollow, I went and checked it. And so I found another one over there. Here.
Yeah, again, there's no holes here.
Yeah.
They saw the concrete coming out from here and then over there, and then call it good.
Yeah.
But completely missed this part.
Yeah. So a lot of ICF contractors, what they'll actually do is they'll leave they'll just make this whole thing open here. So they just have wood at the ends on the inside and outside, and then they pour it through. They actually pour it through those gaps. I don't know why these guys didn't do the same thing. They're just doing it different, but obviously that led to issues where now you have voids. You can see the rebar is actually exposed here. Can't have any. We don't want any voids. It's just it's a weak spot.
I mixed up about half a bag of concrete according to the bag instructions, and then adjusted the water content to get the consistency that I was looking for. It needs to be something like a thick batter. I wanted it to hold its shape when I balled it up, but not be too crumbly and not be too soupy. Then I went around and filled in all the voids that I had found and reinstalled the window bucks with my helper.
Happy birthday to you.
Ooh! あー、釘のキャンドルがある。わーい、ありがとう。